Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. It's October 7th. Starting to get some cool nights. Daytimes are still really nice, but the nights are getting cool into the high 40s, low 50s. And I need to get some cabbages and cauliflower planted, which means time for some of these sweet potatoes to start coming out of the ground. They've been in 117 days. Okay, everybody always asks me, 117 days. I'm in zone 7B, 8, depends on where you source it, in Lawrenceville, Georgia, northeast of Atlanta. So we're going to get started picking some of these sweet potatoes to make room for the fall crops. First thing I want to do is cut back on the vines, so I can actually see where the potatoes are. Hope we have potatoes. We've had no rain in over a month. Never a good sign for growing anything. We water what we can, but if the way they've adjusted the water bills, any kind of watering is going to be pretty tough. Got a lot of rain barrels, but of course to have rain barrels be of any use, it has to rain. If you don't get any rain, you don't have any water in the rain barrels. So should have trimmed these vines back. Probably would have helped with the sweet potatoes if I'd have trimmed them back. But a lot of things going on that has really cut back to my ability to get much of anything done. And frankly, it's only going to get worse for me. So let's get in here and hope that we have some potatoes, despite no rain. Well, those kind of count as seed potatoes for next year, but not as potatoes for eating. Gonna have to do better than that. Oh, there's not a bad potato. Not very big, but it's edible. I don't like seeing those. Oh. This is kind of slick looking, isn't it? Let's see. That's kind of amazing. See how the camera does with that. Wow! What do you think? Not bad out of a pot. Small one. Wow. There's a really nice potato. There's another small one. Not a bad little tater. See, these tubs hold about 18 gallons. And I put usually just 2 slips in, occasionally 3. Well, let's see what's in the other side here. As I said, these will almost as fast as I get these dug out, I'll get this soil amended with some more compost, and I'll have either cabbages or cauliflower in here. What do you think? That's just about the perfect size, perfect shape, perfect everything. And with another nice one. Wow. Alright, there's the harvest out of that one tub. I gotta say, I'm pleased. That's real nice. Well, you know, I put these are covered. They've got coverings on the bottom to keep the voles out. And look at this. So they come at them from the top. That's just disgusting. So, there you go. There's a picture. Check that out. Wow, look at that one. Oh, we'll be eating sweet potatoes this winter. All right, there's another one. There's a nice tater. Looks like the way these grew, I could have easily put 3 in. Not had any impact on how anybody was